Thyroid versus PCOS, overlap symptoms. Same na same, kaya nakakalito. What are the common overlaps? Weight gain or hirap magbawas ng timbang, chronic fatigue, or pagod lagi, brain fog, mental cloudiness, hair fall or thinning hair, irregular periods, mood swings, anxiety, or low mood, skin issues, dry, or acne. Kaya, maraming babae nalilito kung ano ba talaga ang problema. Pero, eto ang difference. PCOS is metabolic plus insulin-driven. Kaya may cravings, especially sugar at carbs. Insulin resistance, acne, especially nasa jawline, ovarian cyst, weight gain, mostly belly area or the bilbil. Ang root cause, insulin plus hormonal imbalance. Samantalang sa hypothyroidism, metabolism is slowing down. Laging giniginaw, mabagal metabolism, heavy fatigue, kaya laging pagod. Dry skin plus brittle nails, slowed thinking. Ang root cause, thyroid hormone deficiency. Hindi sila magkalaban. They can exist together. And this is where most women get stuck. Treating PCOS, pero thyroid pala hindi na-check. Fixing diet, pero metabolism mabagal pa rin. Trying harder, pero mali ang target. Hindi ka nahihirapan kasi mahina ka. Nahihirapan ka kasi hindi pa kumpleto ang picture ng katawan mo. If this opened your eyes, comment, full check, or DM me loves. Let's stop guessing. Let's test what really matters. This is Nurse Velaine saying, symptoms are signal. Early detection is self-respect. Test, don't guess. Future you is watching.